start with school during routine. Some fancy. It's pretty easy, or for me anyways, but not hard to learn. This is easy with this rifle because it's light as crap. But at school we have 11-pound rifles. But yeah, here's the sequence. It's not that I'm using the drill sequence, because it's horrible standing still. You gotta use the drill area. I don't care who you are. But yeah, this is just a standing up still sequence. I ain't got nobody here to move my camera, so yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's really simple. It looks like on the computer, which it is in real life actually where I'm at. Not that hard to pick up a rifle and spin really, unless you. But it has a certain amount of skill. Like you spin it, so right here, right here, right here. Actually, just one hand is really hard. All you gotta do, basically while it's in the air, I want to do it. Basically move your hand like this. When it comes down, pop. I can't do it slow like that. I can do it fast. My computer, well, my camera's or computer's camera on there. Will make it look slower. Looks gay, I think. But it's okay. Yeah, it'll make you see things better way I'm doing it. Thanks for watching.